Welcome! In this video, we'll explore how to find all the shared links inside any community on the Telegram app for PC. With the new update, Telegram makes it much easier to view every link shared in your favorite discussions, all organized neatly in one place. Let's go step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once inside, look through your list of chats and find the community or group you want to check. It could be a public community you've joined, or a private one where you chat with friends or colleagues. Click on it to open the chat window. Next, look toward the top of the screen. You'll see the community's name or title right above the chat messages. Click on it. This will open the community's detailed info page. It's where you can see members, media, files, links, and more. Now that you're looking at the community info, you'll find several tabs or sections available, depending on your Telegram layout. Look for the section called Links. Click on it, and Telegram will instantly show you every link that has been shared inside that community. The links are displayed in chronological order, showing who shared each one and when it was posted. You can scroll through this list, open any link directly, or copy it to share elsewhere. It's a quick and organized way to find important resources, news, or websites that might have been buried in thousands of older messages. If you often use Telegram for work, school, or large communities, this new links section can save you a lot of time. No need to scroll endlessly through chat history anymore. Everything is just a few clicks away. And that's it. Open Telegram, choose your community, click on its name, and enter the links section. In just seconds, you'll have all your shared content right in front of you. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this one to help you make the most out of Telegram's latest features.